It's the first time a drug meant to slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease has ever been granted full regulatory approval. In a clinical trial involving about 1,800 patients in the early stages of Alzheimer's, the drug Leqembi slowed cognitive decline by 27% over an 18-month period compared to people who took a placebo.
I really cannot overstate how important today is. This is really a game changer for our field.
The drug targets a type of protein in the brain thought to be one of the leading causes of Alzheimer's. John Domek was diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer's at 56. He joined a trial at the Cleveland Clinic, receiving infusions every other week. In the beginning, he and his wife Anne weren't told if it was Leqembi or a placebo, but for the past year, he's been on Leqembi.
I've been on it for a while, and I think it's helped me.
His cognitive function has declined slightly, they say, but not by much.
We get that it's not a cure, but there was nothing when we got our diagnosis, nothing. Now there's something that we can do.
It gives you hope.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Unbelievably. I mean, we had none.
Since John is still in a trial, they're not paying for Leqembi, but the list price is $26,500 a year. Medicare plans to provide coverage as long as a doctor agrees to submit patient data. There are side effects. Trials found a greater risk of brain swelling and brain bleeds for patients on Leqembi, leaving some doctors with concerns.
The risk and benefits are quite disproportionate in favor of risk, and therefore this is not a therapy that patients should really consider taking.
For the Domeks, though,
it was go with a drug that might work or nothing. What would you do?
They're traveling to London in August.
Alzheimer's threw us for a loop. This drug has thrown us a lifeline.
Kate Snow, NBC News, New York.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.